Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix heating issues in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and you want to fix your overheating issues, let's see how can you do this. First of all, you just have to scroll down in control panel and here you just have to disable all the unnecessary connections. It might be Bluetooth, mobile data or location services. You must have to disable all the unnecessary connection. Just tap on Bluetooth. If you're not using Bluetooth, you can disable that, and the auto rotate will compile it. If you're using Wi-Fi, just disable the mobile data, and here just disable the location. If you're not using your location service, then Wi-Fi calling and see do not disturb mode, and that's all. And after that you must have to go back, go to from home screen, and here just go to your recent apps, and you have to make sure that you have run the recent apps. Just close all the recent apps just like that. After that just go to your settings, then go for battery, go for background usage limits, and here just tap on sleeping apps. Here just tap on plus icon in the top right corner and select that apps which you want to block usage in background. So I'm going to select these apps, just select, then select add to block the background usage of the apps. And after doing that, if you have just installed any apps, it might be that app is is having any issue, so it might be overheating, so you just have to uninstall that app. As I am going to uninstall this app. Just press and hold on the app and then tap on uninstall, and here just tap on OK. So after an uninstallation, it might be it will fix your issue, but if your issue doesn't fix, you must have to unplug in the charger. If you're charging your phone, so charging causes overheating, you must have to unplug in the charger and wait for your phone cool down, or don't use your phone until you are charging. So after that, just scroll down in control panel and make a restart your phone. Just tap on the power icon, then tap on restart, then tap on it again to restart your phone. Now you just have to restart and wait for your phone when it will cool down, and after that you can easily use that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.